Hello and welcome back to my channel RA Education. I am your mentor Rishba. Again I am here with very interesting topic. Do you know? What does it mean by phycology? So, let's get started. Friends, who is father of algology or phycology? Mandaya Mosuri Parthasarathi Iyengar, 15. December 1886 to the 10th of December 1963. Was a prominent Indian botanist and phycologist who researched the structure, cytology, reproduction and taxonomy of algae. He is known as the Anquat, father of Indian phycology and Quat, or Anquat, father of algology in India and Quat. Phycology is the scientific study of algae. Also known as algology, phycology is a branch of life science. Algae are important as primary producers in aquatic ecosystems. Most algae are eukaryotic, photosynthetic organisms that live in a wet environment. Do you know? It plays a vital role in aquatic ecosystems by forming the energy base of the food web for all aquatic organisms. As autotrophic organisms, algae convert water and carbon dioxide to sugar through the process of photosynthesis. Dear students, algae generate at least 40% of Earth's oxygen through photosynthesis, the conversion of carbon dioxide and water into oxygen and sugars. Algae is so abundant that you can sometimes see it from space, and all of this algae produces a wealth of benefits and costs to human society and the environment. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click down below. Subscribe to the button. Hit the notification bell. If you have any question, feel free to contact me and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, my friends.